Very good afternoon, everybody. So, I am going to introduce about myself. I am Dr. Bindu Dua, Assistant Professor, Mahad College of Education, Jammu. So, this is my academic and research interests. So, I am going to tell you something about curriculum studies. As we all know, that proper education depends upon proper curriculum, which includes the scholastic as well as non-scholastic activities. This course shall help in development of firm understanding in the areas essential for professional growth. This course shall describe all the ways in which teaching and training can be planned. This course would appraise the learners to know the different pedagogies relevant in secondary and higher secondary stage. So the learning objectives will be the learner in this course are expected to be able to reflect upon the concept of curriculum, reflect upon the curriculum theory, describe the nature of human knowledge, gain insight into models of curriculum design, and explain models of curriculum. So the evaluation will be done through different criteria, that is quizzes, post lecture one quiz, assignment two assignment per course, and test two midterm examinations. Thank you.